Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on MATIC Network. The price line of MATIC Network has broken out two patterns. One is on the weekly time frame, another one after that it has broken out on the daily time frame. That is another confirmation for a massive rally. And in today's video, I want to share the targets with you. And before starting the analysis, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to recall this pattern that I shared in the month of June with you when the price line completed this final leg of the bullish harmonic Gartley move on the weekly time frame. Sorry, this is not on the weekly time frame. This is on the 4-day time frame chart. That is also a long-term pattern, and you can see that the price line entered the buying zone. At that time it was moving at $1.18, and as per the harmonic bullish reversal Gartley, the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley move, our sell targets were starting from $1.51 and goes to $2.28. Now I've just played the chart, and now you can see that the price line has so far rallied up to $2.22. Now this time recently the price line of MATIC Network has broken out another ascending triangle, and I shared this pattern with my members at the Patreon on 10th of November when the price line just broke out this pattern, and after breaking out it was moving down to retest the previous resistance as a support. And our first target as per this ascending triangle is $2.43, and the second target is $2.85, which I'm expecting that the price line will hit at least this target. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved more down and even lower than this support that was previously working as a resistance. Now it is working as a support of this the resistance of this ascending triangle. And after this retest, the price line has rallied well so far. It has rallied up to $2.20, but I'm expecting that this move will be continued, because at the same time, if we switch to the daily live time frame chart, then the price line has formed another symmetrical triangle, and finally it has broken out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame. If we switch back to the 4-hourly time frame, on the smaller time frame, then we can see that the price line broke out, and we had another continuation candlestick that is closed above the highest price of the previous candlestick. So this is the confirmation on the 4-hourly time frame, and once we will have a closing on the daily time frame above the highest price of this previous candlestick, which broke out this resistance of the triangle, that will be the final confirmation for the breakout on the daily time frame. And the sell targets as per this symmetrical triangle are approximately the same as we have seen the targets for the ascending triangle on the weekly time frame. And if I place this trend line here, this is basically the measurement from this resistance up to this support, and place it here at the breakout point, then we can see that we can expect a move at least up to $2.73. That is really very close to the target of this ascending triangle, which we are expecting $2.85. And while trading this pattern, we can use this support of this ascending triangle as our stop loss. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.